The Animal Tags combo designed by cardmaker JJ Bolton is sure to add a bit of whimsy to your gifts. In one pass, this one-piece die cuts a tag that can be customized by the coordinating stamps into a sweet bear, frog, or panda. The fold-over design creates a tag with a hidden spot to write a sentiment, and the unique design means that you can hang the tag by the cute animal paws. These fun tags make awesome gift tags, lunchbox notes, and party favors. The die creates a tag that measures 2 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall when folded. The Animal Tags stamp set and matching dies are available individually or as a combo at waffleflower.com. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more creative ideas.